474 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 474. Therefore, 474 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 15.5511811023 feet. So, in other words, 474 centimeters equals 15.5511811023 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.